Welcome back. Now, Perplexity is made primarily as a research tool. And so if you look within the context of your answer and the content you generated, you can also click this element that says Search Images. Perplexity will then look for images related to the topic that you have. You can then also generate an image. We can click this button that says Generate Image. We can choose a specific style of image that we want to generate. And Perplexity will then begin to generate the image here in this area. And we click on top of the element. Now, like other chatbots, Perplexity will allow you to upload documents, and one special element is to set a focus. And so we can consider how we want to do our queries inside of Perplexity. If we want the focus to be academic, we can specify that. And so basically, we have choices as to how we want to generate the content that we are looking for. If we do that at the outset, we stand a better chance of getting the content that we want. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.